Hi guys, Steve from Exclusive Wraps. Welcome back to Wrapped Up Weekly, episode 40. Here's what you missed during the week.
Clear out the room, I'm coming through, they wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill, I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trending topic. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings. They thought I lost for stepping. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm repping. Put on for the whole city. Yeah, I got them rocking with me. I bet on me and my team.
Alrighty guys, now that you're all caught up, let's go for our shop tour. First one on the cards is another Lamborghini Huracan Evo all-wheel drive. This one is in for a full Xpel gloss paint protection film kit and Xpel Fusion ceramic coating. This is a really cool ad personam color, by the way, so you'll see, I don't know if you can see inside because our lighting in this particular area is not really awesome, but it has a nice diamond flake through it. It's a very unique color. It's really good. We'll give you some closer look because I think we took a bit of footage earlier. Take a look at this. Cool, okay, now you've seen that. That's the Lambo. Moving along, how about this for something unique? In 8, 9, 10 years of working on different cars, I've never had one of these come into the shop. This, for those of you that don't know, is a Nissan Figaro. Which sounds like an Italian-Japanese car. I won't go into too much depth on this one because we'll probably give you a bit of a standalone video about this, but this one's in to have just the bonnet, for the bonnet to have some paint protection film applied to it. So the owner of this car has been restoring it gradually over time. As you can see, it's in really good nick. It pretty much looks like it just came out of a showroom. It looks really cool. But anyway, we'll give you another look at that on another video. Moving down the line, Ferrari California. This one we wrapped with PPF again, quite a little while back, a few years, maybe 2-3 years ago. It's had a little bit of front end damage, so I believe it's getting a little section re-PPF'd there. Let's go this way. It's Red Ferrari Day, another red one. This one, pretty much the same deal as that actually, has a little bit of damage along the front lip and it's getting that section re-PPF'd as well. To my left, another Huracan all-wheel drive, Evo all-wheel drive. Similar color spec to this one, so all the black trims are gloss black instead of matte. Same wheels as well, actually. That color combination works really well on either of those cars in my opinion, but take a bit of a look around. This is a really unique color. If I remember correctly, this is a Lamborghini Murcielago paint color. I don't remember the name of it. Maybe we'll flash it up on screen for you because I've seen it somewhere before, but it's a really, really cool color, this one. So here, have a bit of a look at some B-roll this one. You can insert some B-roll. Murcielago. Okay, moving on, let's go this way. We have, to my left, AMG GT Black Series. This thing you would have seen, I believe in our last weekly wrap up, was gloss. Now it's all satin. All of the carbon, all of the black, everything is gone satin finish using our Xpel Stealth paint protection film. This thing is huge. Look how fat the rear end is. It's massive, very cool car. Not a bad way to spend around $870,000. I think this is currently one of the fastest, if not the fastest, around the Nürburgring, someone told me recently. So if that's how you rate how quick your car is, get yourself one of these. To my right, Kia Seltos. This is number 1 of 2. I think there's another one outside. We've done, I don't know, 10, 15 of these for Kia Maruka, I believe. Gloss black roof, cant rails, wing, and antenna. And sometimes we do the mirrors as well. That's what that one's getting. To my left, another Lamborghini Huracan. This is the third one you'll have seen in this shop today. This one, as you can see, is getting a full teardown. We are doing a super comprehensive job on this one, and we'll give you a standalone video for this as well. This one was wrapped elsewhere, not that great. We're gonna take it all off. We're gonna do it properly. We're disassembling the car. Everything's coming off. It's getting wrapped in Miami blue by Innosatech. It's gonna have a bit of a color theme going on that is representative of a different car, but we'll show you that later. It's also getting PPF over the entire wrap as well, and possibly a few other little bits and pieces, but we'll see more on that as we progress. But anyway, stay tuned for the video on this one. It's gonna be a very in-depth walkthrough on how we do what we do. Oh, there you go. Kia Seltos is multiplying. Told you there was two. That one hasn't been started yet. Same thing as that one. Gloss black roof, wing, cant rails. What else we got? Civic Type R. This is number four. I think we had one in the last video. 4 or 5 now. This one is getting a full Xpel gloss paint protection film kit, as well as we have just wrapped the roof in gloss black. As you can see there, the whole top section has been wrapped gloss black. The rest is getting a full PPF kit. To my left, G63. Film's finally come in for this one. It is going in Innosatech Daffodil Yellow. Big teardown to happen on this one as well. Again, stay tuned for more on that one there. Moving down the line, we have a commercial wrap. This one is for Aussie RV. There you go. I hope you can see that. Yep, cool. All right. So, as you can see, partial print wrap on this one. We do heaps of partial print wraps. If you have a business, you've got a dual cab ute, you've got a van, doesn't matter what the vehicle is, we can do some custom graphics for you. In the corner here, brand new CLA 45S, full wrap in satin black. It's also got our black badge kit on there, and we've left a few little accents in gloss black just to contrast nicely. You get your canards, some parts in the front grille section there, the mirrors, a couple other little bits and pieces. This one is almost complete, waiting on a few little things to go back on and it'll be done. Over here, we have an E63, I believe it's a 2010 model or thereabouts. This one has come in, obviously it's hovering at the moment, it's missing the wheels. They are off getting painted currently in a satin black finish. We've also added AMG style side stripes, follow me along, all the way along there in a satin black as well, which is going to tie in really nicely once the wheels go back on. And finally, we tinted the windows with our Xpel XRP window tint. Super high heat rejection film, really good, especially in Queensland. You're not going to feel the heat if you have that film on your car. And lastly, tinted lights. Taillights and the headlights are done very lightly, just to take the edge off all the chrome that's in the housing. It's really nice. Let's give you a look at the latest addition to the shop lighting. Runs along the front, falls in line with all of our top lighting up there. It's a little bit messy, can't help it though, you know, when you're working, you gotta have things everywhere. You get tools, you've got bins, all that kind of stuff. That about wraps it up for this week. What else can I tell you? A lot of new media coming out, a couple of new videos, so make sure you stay tuned. Jump onto our YouTube, subscribe so you get notified when we do updates. Other than that, don't forget to like and comment and share and all that stuff. We'll see you on the next one.
Whoa, clear out the room, I'm coming through, they wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill, I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it, I'm today's trending topic. I put commas over bullshit, yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings, they thought I lost the snapping. I bet on me and my team.